Good morning, students. How are you? Okay, so now our next lecture on the topic exponents and power, which you already studied in your 8th standard. So वही same आपकी सारी identities and laws we will study here first, and then we will apply them on those questions. So now let's start first. As first identity is your if x raised to power n multiply with x raised to power n. You have given x raised to power n into x raised to power n. If base are same, powers are different, and they are multiplying, then we always add the power. We always add the powers. So it becomes x raised to power m plus n. And then in the same way, if you have x raised to power m divided by x raised to power m, then it becomes n minus n. Then we will subtract. Then third one is x raised to power m into y raised to power m. Means in this one now base is different, power are same, so we will multiply the base. X multiplied with y is equal to m. And fourth one is if you have x raised to power m upon y raised to power m, then you can write that x upon y raised to power m. And fifth one is any number has power is 0, then its value is always 1. किसी भी नंबर की या कोई भी अगर किसी की भी पावर आपके पास 0 है, then your answer is always, then the value of that exponent is always 1. And now these 5 laws which you are seeing here, आपने इनको you can apply left to right or also you can convert right to left. ठीक है, depend on the question. According to that you will use them. So in the same way here also, अगर डिवाइड हो रहा है तो आप पावर्स क्या करेंगे, माइनस. अगर बेस आपके ऐसे मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है देन यू कैन राइट दिस आल्सो और वाइस वर्सा. मींस अगर ऐसे आपके पास है यू कैन राइट दिस टू दिस आल्सो. सेम हेयर आल्सो. एंड हेयर एक्स रेज टू पावर 0, यानी किसी की भी अगर पावर आपके पास 0 है देन दैट आंसर इज ऑलवेज 1. आपका वहाँ पे आंसर जो होने वाला वो हमेशा ही 1 होगा आपके पास. ठीक है, ओके. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज sums on the basis of these identities. Like if I have 128 raised to power 1 upon 5, or you can say 2 upon 5. I have question 128 raised to power 2 upon 5 and simplify it. So first of all we will make the prime factors of 128. 128 के का prime factor लाते हो तो क्या बनेंगे, 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8, 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 12, and again 2 16, then again 2 से आप करेंगे then it becomes 8, 4, and then 2, and then in the last way 1. So you can see the prime factors of 120 is this one. So we can write it as 2 raised to power. How many 2's are here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So here 7 2's are here. So you can write it 2 raised to power 7 and its whole power is 2 upon 5. And now you can see that here we can apply the identity of this one. Sorry, one identity is left, that is x raised to power m and its power is n. Then you can write x raised to power n into m. So we will apply this identity here in this question. So we can write it 2 raised to power 7 multiplied 2 upon 5. अगर यहाँ पे कैंसिलेशन होती है तो आप कर सकते हैं, नहीं होती है जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई है. So it becomes 2 raised to power 14 upon 5. So this is your answer. Okay, let's more example. If I have P43 raised to power 2 upon 3, अब मेरे पास है P43 raised to power 2 upon 3. So for this one you will make the prime factor of 343. So 343 के जब prime factor लाते हो तो it becomes 7 पे डिवाइड होगा 7 4 is 28 and 7 9 is 60. 7 7 is 7 1. So you have 7 raised to power 3 and its whole power is 2 upon 3. Now you can see again here is identity this one. ये आपकी फिर से identity यहाँ बन रही है. We can write it 7 raised to power 3 multiply 2 upon 3. So 3 से cancel ये आपका 3 होता है. So 7 square which become 49 not 40. Okay. Now the next type, ये जो आपका बेटा this question which I explained here. This is a question which you have in 1.6 question number 1. 1.6 का जो first question है just इसके जैसा ही solve करने वाला है. ठीक है. Now the next question is if you have given 5 raised to power 7 into 5 raised to power 2 upon 3 and simplify. तो here आप देख रहे हैं ध्यान से कौन सी identity लग सकती है आपके पास. फर्स्ट identity because base are same and it are multiplied, so we can add the power. So you can write 5 raised to power 7 plus 2 upon 3 which become 7 is 21 or 2 23 upon 8. So this will be your answer. ठीक है. In the same way you can apply for your division, for your multiplication. ठीक है. So many identities you can use here. Let's start for example. If I have question 36 into 125 into 27 upon 2 raised to power 5 into 5 raised to power. आपका C है and you have to simplify them. So for this one again you will apply the laws of exponent. Also we will convert all these number into the prime factors. So 36 will become 2 raised to power 2 into b raised to power 2. जब आप 36 के फैक्टर बनाओगे तो वहाँ पे 2 भी आपके पास 2 आएंगे और 3 भी आपके पास 2 आने वाले. ठीक है. मल्टीप्लाई 120 के बनेंगे आपके पास 5 raised to power 3 into 27 के बनेंगे 3 raised to power 3 अपॉन आपके पास है 2 raised to power 5 into 5 raised to power 3 like this one. Okay. Now in this one here you can see we can apply the identity of this one. Means आपके पास right side given है, right से आप left बनाएंगे. ठीक है. So you can write it 2 raised to power 2 into 3 raised to power 2 multiply 5 raised to power 3 into 3 raised to power 3 upon 2 raised to power 5 into 5 raised to power 3. Now choose the similar ways and solve them according to the laws. So you can see that I have this 2 and here also 2. यहाँ पे भी 2 है, यहाँ पे भी 2 है. So you can subtract. तो अगर आप subtract करोगे divide है तो subtract ही करते हैं हमेशा. तो it become 2 raised to power 2 minus 5 into 3 raised to power. Denominator तो 3 है नहीं हमारे पास. But if you see carefully here are 2 3s and both are multiplying. अगर दोनों multiply होते हैं तो आप उन दोनों के powers को add करते हो. So it becomes 3 raised to power 2 plus 3 into 5 raised to power 3 and the denominator again there is 5. तो ये divide हो रही हैं. तो divide होते हैं तो powers को आप क्या करते हो minus करते हो. So it becomes 3 minus 3. So it becomes 2 raised to power minus 3. आपके पास 2 raised to power minus 3 and here 3 raised to power 5 multiply 5 raised to power 0. So it becomes 2 raised to power minus 3. तो अगर आपके पास माइनस में है तो उसको पॉजिटिव में कन्वर्ट करना है, जस्ट टेक द रेसिप्रोकल, आपने उस नंबर का रेसिप्रोकल करना है, देन द पावर विल बिकम पॉजिटिव. सो इट बिकम 1 upon 2 raised to power 2 into 3 raised to power 5 into 3 to power 0 क्या बोलते हैं 1 बोलते हैं. So it becomes 3 raised to power 5 for the release or it is a 9 9 is 81 81 into 81. So 3 ones are 3 is 20 243 upon 2 raised to power 3 is 8. So this is your required solution which we are finding here. Okay. One thing, students, you will remember that if there are two exponents are in equal, then always remember they are equal if their base are same and their powers are same. ठीक है, वो तभी आपस में इक्वल हो सकते हैं अगर उनके बेस भी सेम है और उनके पावर भी सेम है, अदरवाइज वो कभी उनको हम इक्वल नहीं कह सकते. ठीक है, ये बात आपने ध्यान रखनी है. और एक और एक्सपोनेंट्स में अगर आपने जब भी कंपेयर करना होता है तो कंपेयर करने के लिए आपको हमेशा बेटा उनके बेस को सेम बनाना होता है. बेस मस्ट बी सेम. फॉर एग्जांपल एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं. इफ आई हैव 5 raised to power 2 upon 3 and other is 2 raised to power 1 upon 2. मेरे पास ये क्वेश्चन है 5 raised to power 2 upon 3 and 2 raised to power 1 upon. तो फिर हमें इनको कंपेयर करना है, मतलब ग्रेटर बताना है, स्मॉलर बताना है, और दे आर इक्वल और नॉट. फॉर दैट वन यू हैव टू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मेक द डिनोमिनेटर सेम. आप डिनोमिनेटर सेम बनाएंगे फॉर दैट वन. सो फॉर मेकिंग डिनोमिनेटर वी विल टेक द एलसीएम. सो इट बिकम 6. सो 5 raised to power 2 upon 3 आपको इसको 2 से ऊपर नीचे मल्टीप्लाई करना है. In the same way here also 2 raised to power 1 upon 2. तो आप 3 से ऊपर नीचे मल्टीप्लाई, ठीक है, ऊपर नीचे आप 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So it become 5 raised to power 4 upon 6 and here it become 2 raised to power 3 upon 6. ठीक है. Now you can see that both has same denominator. दोनों के denominators क्या आते हैं आपके पास, सेम आती हैं. सेम अगर आपके पास आते हैं, नाउ यू विल राइट इट एज 5 raised to power 4 and its whole power is 1 upon 6. The same way here also 2 raised to power 3 and power is 1 upon 6. इनको आप अलग कर देंगे. And then 5 raised to power 4 क्या होता है? 5 raised to power 4 आपका that is 625 raised to power 1 upon 6 and here is 2 raised to power 3 will become 8 and 1 upon 6. Now you can easily compare both of them, that which is greater or smaller or they are equal or not. ठीक है, see that 625 is greater. 625 is greater है, it means 5 raised to power 2 upon 3 is greater than 2 raised to power 1 upon 2. Like this one, you can compare the shirts also. Got it? Okay, so by seeing this lecture you can easily solve your exercise 1.6 and if still any problem to anyone you may ask. Happy learning.